Hello everyone, this is Edgar with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Back with another repair. I know we have a lot of repair videos and I've done a lot of repairs, but today pretty simple, fun little easy repair. You're repairing your AUX port on your Beats Solo floors. Very simple tools you'll need: 2.0 Phillips, tweezers, prying tool, soldering iron at 500 degrees Celsius. You could go with 400, 300, but I do 500 because it takes about 1 millisecond to pull off the soldering points. Easy, quick, that's how we like it. And yes, the ear pads are off, but your headphones will come with ear pads on. So I'll just show you guys quickly how to do that. Your ear pads on, that's how you start. Want to pry one side up, that you'll pry it open, it'll look like that. You go to the front, you pry it open. Once you get in there, you can just pull it off. Boom. Now you're here, you'll have 3 screws, Phillips 2.0 screws to take out. One's missing for video's sake. Takes me extra 5 seconds so you don't have to waste your time fast forwarding or watching a fast forward me unscrewing video. Because that's what happened with the XM5. That was fun. Get those out of the way. You pop this open like this. You'll have all these wires. They'll be glued down. These ones are unglued because we've done repair on this pair of headphones before, but all the wires will be glued down like that. You don't want to worry about that. Try not messing with that unless you're replacing your speaker housing or your inside panel, then that's a different story. But now comes the fun part. You have a lot of glue on all these solder points for all the wires. First thing you'll have to do, take a photo or write down what wire goes where so you don't forget. Very important. Then you want to pry off this glue. In most cases, you're able to pry it off with tweezers, a flathead prying tool, no problem. In the case that you're having difficulty with that, I would say use a heat gun, or what most people use if they don't have a heat gun, because heat guns, random tool you should not randomly have at your house unless you repair things. Hair dryer works as well. Just be very careful with the heat. I usually use my tweezers and I can get in the cracks like this, and you'll see here shortly. You're able to pull it all off. The only problem this happens once in a while is because the glue is all over the wires. Sometimes a wire stuck in between. You don't want to pull on it because you'll tear the wire. Easiest way to do it is once you unsolder the wire, you can pull this through. So I'll just quickly show you. Once we pull that off, you want to unsolder all the points. And like I said, about 500 degrees Celsius is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Not even 3. I don't know why I was counting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Just like that. So easy, so quick, so beautiful, so fast. Now you got that wire, you can just do this right here, pull up, and should have a pretty easy time pulling that through. But as you can see, without heat, I took off the solder point there. So this video will be educational and other purposes. If you don't do that, skip this 30-second part. If you do that on accident and you tear off the solder point on your wire, I'll show you quickly how to resolder a wire. So I pulled off that glue, as you can see, and I destroyed the soldering point on this wire. So for everyone that doesn't do that and pulls off the glue without issue, you can skip this next 20 seconds. For anyone who has this issue and pulled off the soldering on your wire, you're gonna want to tune in quickly. For that, you'll need flux, or as I like to call it, soldering paste. You wanna grab your wire, you wanna place a little bit of flux on there. You wanna grab your soldering iron, a little bit of solder. By a little bit, I mean a lot. And you just want to go over that. Just like that. See, we create a new nice spot. It doesn't look the best. Therefore, you might need something to cut it with. I'll just use Kaizen knife, kanban knife, whatever. And you only want a little bit of the wire with solder on it, like that. Looks clean. All right, you guys fast forward, you missed that part. Now we continue. We gotta remove the glue from this side as well. So that side, I show you how to remove it without using heat. But if you're not unable to and you want to use heat, I'll show you that way quickly too. You want to go for a few seconds, not too long, then try. And if it's not warm enough, then you go back. Instead of holding it for a very long time, you could ruin the board. You want to do a few seconds at a time. Your best chance to get it at the right heat like this, where you can pull it off. No issue. Look how beautiful that went. Oh. It's a beautiful Thanksgiving dinner. Same thing, take a photo of the wires so you don't forget which wire goes where, what color. Now you want to just pop all these points off.
Hey, this is Joe from the Sauna. If this video brought you value, please support us by buying parts, tools, refurbished electronics, or sending your device in for repair so we can keep offering you free repair tutorials. Back to the video.
You got 2 more screws for the actual AUX port itself. You pop those off, pry this up. Look like old. Yep, pries up just like that. Throw the old one out. What a bad part. Ruined my headphones. Oh no. Grab your new one. Wanna make sure all the wires are out the way. Place your new one in like that. Screw her down. Nice and tight. You don't have to screw it down too tight. Once you feel this give, you're good. Now I want to set all the wires back in. And we're gonna go from right side to left. So first, it's all organized cleanly. Just like that. Gold, red, well, gold, blue, but there's a gold on there, gold, red. Looking beautiful. You're on your way. Next, you want to go. I did not take a photo of the wires, so I might be wrong here, but I'm pretty sure it's red, blue, black, green. Hopefully you guys are all smarter than me and took a photo of the wires, so you don't have to go off of hopes and dreams. Just like that. Recheck your solder points, make sure no solder points are touching. Make sure you give your wires a little tug, make sure none of them are coming off the points. Perfection. Once that's all done, if you pulled your wires out or for some reason they came out, this red wire you'll tuck behind the AUX port like that. Push in a little bit. There you go. Tuck the rest behind that point right there. Make sure none of the wires are on top of this. Place that right back in. Check each hole to see no wires inside there, because if for some reason the wires went over the hole and you screw it back in, well, yeah, darn messed up. Screw it back in. That, put your ear pad back on, pin. And one thing you can always remember is the line here basically means that lines up with the AUX port, and on the right side that lines up with the charger port. Just kind of letting you know you're down. So if your headphones like this, that means down. Just a quick little fun tip. That's how you replace your AUX port on your Beats Solo 4s. I hope you guys had fun. Thank you very much for being here. Tools and everything else will be in the description below. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.